Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to design Instagram carousel with smart layout in Figma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to design like Instagram carousel with smart layout in Figma, all you can do is simply open your Figma app. Once you open your Figma app, you need to simply tap open to sign in. You can also go and access your Figma through your website or so. And now to design an Instagram carousel with smart layout on Figma, you can simply create a main frame with a width equal to the total desired carousel. Wide example 10,800 px for 10 slides and a height of 1080 px. Now you need to place individual 1080 px by 1080 px frames inside this main frame, each representing a slide. Apply Smart Animate for the transitions and use horizontal scrolling in the prototype settings to simulate the swipe effect. So this will allow you to design Instagram carousels with smart layout in Figma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.